be showing you guys how to get Bakkesmod for Rocket League. So you're gonna type in BAKKESMOD.com. It's gonna take you right here. It's gonna say Bakkesmod Rocket League Trainer. You're gonna click download now. So right under the creator code, it's gonna say click here to download. I'm gonna click on that. It's gonna send a download to your bottom left corner. Once it starts, you're gonna click open. So it's gonna bring up this. You could just minimize that for a second, and then minimize your Google. Bring this down here. You're gonna double click it. So it's gonna block this off for safety reasons, but it's gonna say, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? It's okay, so you can click yes. It's gonna say to continue this installer will close any open instances of Rocket League. You're gonna say this is okay, so you're gonna click yes. So you can add this for your additional shortcut. It just creates a shortcut which is beneficial, so I'd check it. So you're gonna click next after this. It's gonna show you your additional shortcuts, which we only have one. So after that, you're gonna click install. It should show this. It's gonna download. It's gonna say Bakkesmod is now installed. If you're running into any antiviruses, you might want to whitelist them. Do you want to view the document on whitelisting? I would recommend to say yes, but if you say no, it's fine. It's just gonna bring this up. It shows you some step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. How to whitelist antivirus. Okay, so once you've read that, or if you didn't read that, you're just gonna minimize that. It should say set up Bakkesmod version 3.0. You're gonna click finish. It's gonna bring this up right here, and it's gonna say Rocket League, which I have it on the Epic Games launcher, is not open, and it's unejected me. It's not open, and it's waiting for me to start Rocket League. So if I were to start Rocket League, Bakkesmod would be ready for me. So that's your tutorial on how to get Bakkesmod. I hope this helped you out.